Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this. This is ideal for Christmas, the colors, you put the utensils in it. If you have people for dinner, for Christmas, and everyone will have one of these. You put it on the table for everyone to have one. You put it on the table like this, and everyone will have one. The colors are ideal for Christmas, it's very easy to make. Hope that you try it. Number 4, 4mm hook. And you use the yarn that goes with the hook 4mm. And I started with making 44 chains. I'm starting with the red. I made 44 chains. So now we're going to start the first row. We skip the first chain. We go in the second chain. And we make a double crochet in English, single crochet in American. We go in the second chain and we do the same. So we have to do a double crochet or a single crochet in each chain that we have. And we have to finish with 43 double crochet because the first one we skipped it. So 43 double crochet or single crochet. So the first row, as you can see, is ready. I have 43 double crochet. Now we're going to do a chain. And in the base here of the chain, we're going to do a double crochet, or a single crochet. And 2 half trebles in the same place. 1 and 2. So I made a double treble, a double crochet, and 2 half trebles in the first one. Now we're going to skip 2. We skip 2 chains. 1, 2. We go in the next one. We make double crochet, and 2 half trebles. One. I don't know why it doesn't show always clear, the camera. We skip another 2. 1, 2. We go in the next one. We make a double crochet. And 2 half trebles in the same place. 1 and 2. Skip another 2. 1, 2. We go in the next one. Double crochet, and 2 half trebles. 1 and 2. And you continue all the row like that. You skip 2. And the next one you do double crochet, 2 half double trebles. You skip another 2, a double crochet, 2 half trebles. You continue all the row like that. So now the row is ready. We are here at the edge. We have 3. 1, 2, 3. We go in the last one and we finish with a double crochet or single crochet. And that is the second row ready. So this row is ready and I cut the thread, as you can see here. The red, I cut it. And I'm going to start with the white. So you go here in the first one here. Pull up a stitch, you make a chain. Now, in the same place, you're going to make a double treble and 2 half trebles. 1 and 2. You go here where you skip 2, 1, 2, and you arrive here. But you can see there is like a hole here. So, these we're going to put them in here. The same, a double crochet, and 2 half trebles. 1 and 2. The same, you skip 2, we arrived here. You skip these two and we arrived here. We make double crochet and 2 half trebles. 1 and 2. And you continue like that. Again, you skip 1, 2, you go here, you make a double treble and 2 half trebles. 1 and 2. And you continue all the row like that. You skip 1, 2, you go there, double treble, 2 half trebles. You skip 1, 2, you go there, a double treble, a double crochet and 2 half trebles. The same. You skip 2, double crochet and 2 half trebles. You go like that all the row. Row is ready. As you can see, we have these last 2. We go in the last one here and we finish with a double crochet. And that is the row ready. Now the next row we're going to make it the same as this one with the same color. You make a chain, you go here, a double crochet, 2 half trebles, 1 and 2. You go in the next one, double crochet, 1 and 2. You go in the next one, double crochet and 2 half trebles. 1, 2. This you always have to repeat this row that I'm showing you. You go in the next one, double crochet and 2 half treble. As you have seen, I have always repeated the same row. The only thing that I changed the color. Now I'm going to continue working changing colors. Then I will tell you when I finish it, I will tell you how I change the colors, the sequences of the colors. But the important thing that you always repeat, this row that I'm showing you. You go here, double crochet and 2 half trebles. 1, 1 and 2. You repeat, always repeat this row that I'm showing you. And as I told you, then I will tell you the sequences of the colors that I made. The important thing, as I told you, to repeat always this row. So as you can see, these are the rows that we made. The first one we did a double crochet, all of it. This row with the pattern, those are red. Then 2 rows white with the same pattern, 2 rows green, another 2 rows white, and I made a row red, always doing the same pattern. I finished with a row red. Now the thread finished, mine finished, but you continue with the same thread, don't cut it. And the last row we're making for here, for this, is going to be all double crochet. As I told you, don't cut the thread, you continue with the same color. Mine finished, that's why I started. And we make a double crochet all the row on each chain that we have. So continue making a double crochet or a single crochet, depends how you call it, in all stitches that you have. So we finish like we started. We started with a double crochet. We're going to finish with a row of double crochet. Continue all the row like that. So now this is ready. Now we're going to start the border, and I'm going to do the border with the white. We go here, pull up a stitch, make a chain, and we're going to do a double crochet in each stitch that we have. So start making a double crochet in each stitch that you have. Then when we arrive in the corner, I tell you what you have to do. So continue with a double stitch all around until you arrive in the corner. Then I'll tell you what you have to do. So as you can see, we arrived here in the corner, and in the corner we make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, and we continue all around with a double crochet, all around with a double crochet in every corner. When you arrive in every corner, you make 3 double crochet. The row is ready all around. Now we're going to close this side and this side. We leave open here. So we're going to close with a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. We go in the first one, make a double crochet or single crochet in every stitch that we have. From here to the other side. So you continue making a single crochet or a double crochet until you arrive here, and on this side you do the same. You make a single crochet or a double crochet until you arrive here. You leave only here open. And this is the final result, how it comes. You put all the utensils in it, put it on the table for all the people you invited for dinner or for something like this for Christmas. And they are all inside of here. Everyone has one of these. Hope that you understood what I was doing and that you try it. Bye for now.